Okay, my people, I don't come back again with another ogbonge video. The way Uche take surprising friend, oh my god, this one na ogbonge one. Uche surprising friend for im birthday. I bet my people make una watch this video to the end. The una say her friend take dey surprise im best friend. I bet my people, as you dey watch this video, make you also like and share. Subscribe to this channel so that you go see ogbonge one, the latest video on board. As you do so, God bless you. Make una watch.
Hey guys, I'm here to surprise Gina. She thought I wasn't going to be around. I told her I was filming in Port Harcourt and I'm not coming for her birthday, so she doesn't know I'm in town. So let's go. Please pardon my cracked voice. Let's go. Please. Just run away, this one is Jamaica. I'm in my baker, I became my G10, and let me take it. The right tea, I'm a star in the making. First step on the stem, my hips, and I'm missing. Daddy, don't take a look, come a bit. The girls so we get you to listen. Heard my words when they're jumping in my room. Some say advance, some say I too rise. I did nothing, I added a few swines. I forward to the brand, come drink from my glass. Once upon a time, again, tell my story twice. I'm beheaded, guys, can you do it this time? Let the first talk about it.